In this video, we'll go over HOLO. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is HOLO? HOLO is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting decentralized applications built using HoloChain, a framework for developing dApps that does not require the use of blockchain technology. The goal of HOLO is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet and apps built using HoloChain, offering an ecosystem and marketplace in which dApps are easily accessible, as they are hosted on the internet by HOLO network participants. The HOLO network will be facilitated using a token called HOLO Fuel, which is actively being tested and will act as an accounting system to pay hosts for their services. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. According to its green paper, HOLO is designed to act as a bridge between HoloChain, which represents the world of crypto technology, and everyday users. The project highlights several innovations that it says will enable a large shift in the landscape of crypto applications and currencies, including the ability to host P2P apps on the internet for mainstream users. The HOLO network relies on a series of hosts that provide storage and processing power for dApps built using HoloChain. Hosts either install software on their computer that runs in the background and automatically allocates extra processing power to HoloChain-based dApps, or they operate a dedicated machine such as a HOLO port. In exchange, hosts are paid in HOLO Fuel, a token that is specifically designed for microtransactions. The design of HOLO Fuel is expected to allow the HOLO network to process billions of simultaneous transactions. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 10 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.